Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we insert tick mark in Excel. To insert tick mark in Excel, here I have created one sheet over here, the name and the task status, whether the task is completed or not, and I have to get whether tick for the completed task and not cross for the not completed task. To get this, what we have to do is we have to go to home tab, then in this conditional formatting, then go to new rule. Here select the style icon set, and then here give the values. Here right and cross. I'll give the no icon cell. Here I'll select the type number and I'll give the value to 0, and here I'll give greater than, and if the value is less than equal to 0, and just click OK. If I drag till bottom here, what I'll do is I'll just give the formula equal to, if press tab, here give the logical test equal to, in double quote, COMPLETE, complete, then 1 else 0. Just click enter and drag till bottom. Here as you can see, where the task is completed, it is showing me tick right, and if not completed, it is showing me cross. And to remove this numbers 110 110 10, what you have to do is you go to conditional formatting, just go to manage rules. Here just double click, here you can go here edit rule, then go show icon only and click OK. Just click OK. As you can see here, now I can see icons only. Just added little bit, place it in center. Here you can see now only the icons is visible. So this is the way you can insert tick mark in Excel. I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.